Don't step on it, Joe. Joel put this together. He said, we were so glad we had that. Anna's trying to get it. Isn't that funny, Joe? Look, she's spinning around. We just put her in there for the first time. And she's spinning around. Try to get it, Anna. If she gets it for a second, Joe, that's okay, right? We'll just say, good job, Anna. Anna, look at that race car. Can you get it? It's pretty fast, Anna. Huh? Yeah. This is like a dog chasing a train track or its tail or a vacuum or something. Joe, I'm glad we put that together. How about you? Do you see that funny train, Anna? Oh, put a barrier up. That was smart. It crashed into something. Good job, Joel. You helped her get it.
I want to go now. I want to go now.
Here, Joel, let Anna grab that for a second.
Okay.
Oh, look at that, Anna. Oh, good, Anna. Hey, Joe, who gave you this?
Grandpa.
When did he give it to you? A long time ago? Joe found it in the green bag, and he said, I'm pretty glad we still have this. Hey, Joe, when they come over tomorrow for the party, you can show them this, okay?
But it's hard.
Yeah, it said when Grandpa and them come over for the party tomorrow, you can show it to them.
It's digging.
They might have fun seeing it. It's a pretty neat toy.